Welcome to my fourth and final video for the great guitar build of 2021. I have built this super nice Flying V, which is also semi-hollow. And in this video I'll be doing a lot of sanding, some painting, drilling quite a few holes, then electronics and final assembly. And in the end you'll see the final result. So I hope you'll enjoy yourselves and yeah, watch it. I forgot the side duds. And so it begins. Sanding, sanding, sanding.
The snow comes down this march to death. Underneath my breath I curse this life I've left behind. Rattling bones and hanging coughs, so I don't feel my loss no more. I'm numb, deaf, blind and dumb. What my mom said, every prairie dog has its season.
Okay, let's fill up that hole I made a while ago. Obviously it was not a mistake, it was wanted for decorative reasons. Not a mistake at all, not a mistake at all. Okay, so I'm gonna fill the hole with a bit of rosewood dust and some wood glue. I think that's gonna look nice.
But it's winter now in the French house, join the Legion.
Okay, let's see how the cover-up job went. Let's do some more sanding.
Whiskey soaked and coming down, lost and all found, I can feel my skin, my lie with it.
Okay, I am done with sanding today. No more sanding for me. I can't stand the sight of sandpaper. But what I can still do is make the control cavity.
Dark and cold and wet tonight, my raging thoughts are flying and I've gone wild. Yet still I smile. What my mom said, every dog dead young has its reason. Not an old man now, stride still along, join the Legion.
Okay, now look at this. It might have been a bit easier to do this without the neck, but well, I'll make it work. So next up I'm going to use some grain filler, but only on the top, because on the top I'm gonna use a solid color. For the rest I'm gonna leave it natural, and I do like the feel of open grain. Time for some more sanding. Okay, so before I get to painting the top, I will have to make a couple of holes still. 2 for the posts of the Tune-O-Matic bridge, 6 for the strings to go through the body because it's a string through design, and then 1 for the jack output, and 2 for the strap buttons. Also one of those I will use to put a hook in, and then I can hang the guitar upside down in a very scary manner to be painted. Well, yeah, now this is the part where the conversion between metric and imperial system always screws me over, because these are made according to the imperial system. This is made according to the metric system, so this is a tiny bit too small for this, so I need to do some sanding, expand the hole, try to make it fit. It's always the same. Should get an Imperial Forstner bit. I just don't want it though. Why can't we all just use the same system?
Rattling lungs and smoking guns, I had to be here once to know that I live, to be not forgotten. Settling scores and backing lots, my memory lost.
It's 1,000 voices in my head saying, don't f this up.
Don't f this up, 1001. Woo!
Ram of shame, my thoughts are tame. What my mom said, every dog looks twice when he's leaving. It's a second glance, not a second chance. Join the Legion.
Time for spray painting. Okay, now for the big reveal.
The blizzard pours down milky snow like razor blades across my thicket skin. While your burning eyes are locked in mine, a soft and sunken secret gaze while you were getting it. You were busy getting bigger while I was busy getting better, don't you see? Now you're lying in your bed, well I'm still lying in my head about exactly what getting better's supposed to mean.
Time for the clear coat.
No want no sugar in my coffee. No want no sugar in my tea. I'll go left when your sign says right.
So while my last layer of paint dries, I still need to do a couple of small things, like the cover for the electronics compartment and the nut. That's what I'm gonna do next.
And I'll know it's right when you're all that's left for me. Half a world away, but I still feel your perspiration on my brow. Catharsis is a mountain, self-pity is an ocean, so I better keep it climbing not to drown. No want no sugar in my coffee. No want no sugar in my tea. I'll go left when your sign says right, and I'll know it's right when you're all that's left for me.
Okay, so now that the finish has hardened, I can smooth the surface a little bit with some steel wool. Not my favorite stuff, but I still have quite a bit of it because it came in a big bag, so I better use it. Okay, next up I'm gonna use this wax to make it even smoother and nice, give it a little sheen, and yeah, good stuff.
Am I here and now or that and there? I can tell you, girl, that I just can't tell. I never got what I wasn't sure I ever wanted.
And now let's mount the hardware. We're getting very, very close. I'm getting very excited. This is almost done. Yeah, just a couple of hours left.
And in the end, it's probably just as well. Don't want no sugar in my coffee. Don't want no sugar in my tea. I'll go left when your sign says right, and I'll know it's right when you're all that's left for me. Don't want no sugar in my tea. I'll go left when your sign says right, and I'll know it's.
So while I was doing the frets, my hammer slipped a little bit a couple of times, so I have some dings in the fretboards, which is a shame because the fretboard is super nice. But there is a solution for that. It involves a wet t-shirt and a soldering iron.
Right when you're all that's left for me. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da-di-da.
Okay, next up I'm gonna clean and oil the fretboards. Like this, it's gonna be, well, nice and clean, and it's gonna pop.
La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da.
So next up, I am ready to put in the posts for the bridge. Very important not to forget a wire that I can then use to ground the bridge.
I went down to St. James Infirmary. I saw my baby there. She was stretched out on a long white table. So cold.
Okay, so let's get to the electronics. I'm going to be using these nice P90 pickups made by Alchemy, a guy in the UK. And yeah, super nice dude. We chatted a little bit, and he made me this this custom kind of set of these three P90s. I'm really looking forward to hearing how they sound. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to use a three-way switch for the bridge and the neck, and then a volume for these two, and then a volume just for the middle position. And then I will also use a push-pull just to deactivate the neck and the bridge pickups, so that I can have the middle by itself, and then a tone for all of it.
So cold, so sweet, so fair. I want 6 old cowboys.
So here it is, the final guitar. I am super happy with how it turned out, and yeah, this has been quite the ride. I am very happy I did this. At this point, also thanks to Ben Crow for putting this together, because I don't think I would have ever started a YouTube channel without him. So that's yeah, thanks, dude. And yeah, I think I'm gonna continue doing this kind of stuff. I already have an idea for the next one. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and like, leave a comment, all of that. At this point, if you watch this between the 1st and the 5th of July, you'll be also able to vote for me. There have been some very, very good guitars in this competition, but I really hope you vote for mine, obviously. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed yourselves. What was it? Cheers!